It's not your birthday.
Italia.
Fig is my favorite fruit.
Because live in exotic country.
We're also in the hostile environment.
In warm island. It reminds me.
Please, could you give me 1 minute for... Sorry? This is my cup. Excuse me.
Okay.
So we can pass the lab together.
It's not possible! Let me pass!
One day, during an international business lesson,
Okay, at 5 o'clock.
Yes. For you.
Detonassis!
The president of Greek International Team.
I'm a gentleman with you know.
in the back.
In the back.
In the back. My new wonderful bike. Where is? Have you seen it?
To forget the accident.
Stata lei no, sorry, in English. It's very dangerous because I can.
My past whites, yes, I had two whites on my past.
Why?
Thank you.
You're welcome.
What is there inside?
And the land and the moon is the only light we'll see.
Knocking on heaven's door.
My Lord, my life, please bring in your hand my soul.
Called Meg McKellar for the farm.
Connection between leprechaun and
As your recording studio.
Bye!